Have you tried making Irish soda bread? It is a delightful, totally underrated, yeast-free, quick bread. And we're going to make it gluten-free. A cake pan is best, but you can use a sheet pan if that's all you have. Making Irish soda bread is so simple. Mix together a few basic dry ingredients. I recommend Cup for Cup brand gluten-free flour. We're going to use lots of buttermilk in this recipe. It combines with the baking soda to give this bread its beautiful rise. When you're whisking the dough together, you'll notice that it has a very thick, sticky texture. You'll need to use extra gluten-free flour for shaping the dough, but be careful not to work too much into the dough itself. Irish soda bread typically has a cross cut in it. This helps the moisture to escape while it's baking. This bread does cook for about 50 minutes, so make sure you allot enough time for it to cook and cool completely before slicing. This bread has such a great texture and a beautiful crust. Serve it alongside soup or with your favorite warm drink.